Let's talk about outdoor lighting. There's a lot of planning that goes into a great landscape lighting design. Are we trying to light the architectural elements of your house? Are we looking to add a little safety and security to an area? Or is it just general overall lighting that you want to achieve? Just as with interior lighting, you want to create layers of lighting, even on the outside of the house. We do this by incorporating very large lights in the canopies of our larger, more mature trees. We do smaller, more soft and subtle lights, usually low voltage lighting for the landscape, bushes, ornamental trees, pathways. And then we do spotlights or tape lighting for specific or unique elements like fire pits or steps. Safety and security lighting is important in all of our designs. Whether it's moonlighting, the ambient lighting created by the lights mounted high up in the tree, or motion sensor lights that are attached to the house that illuminate upon motion, or wayfinding lighting like pathway lights or step lights for walkways around the house. Fixture selection is very important. The fact that we're not a manufacturer's rep means we can use any manufacturer's fixtures for our designs. Primarily we work with LED fixtures. Our fixtures are designed so that they will disappear into your environment. Our goal is for you to see the lighting effect and never the equipment. We're able to install both line voltage and low voltage systems due to the fact that all of our installers are licensed electricians. Let's talk about lighting controls and zoning. Once we've established the lighting plan, we're going to talk about zoning. How do you want the system to come on? What areas do you want to come on independent of other areas? This is zoning. Once we have that, we'll talk about lighting controls. Your lighting controls are one of three options. First is the easiest, photocells. Photocells work off the sun. When the sun goes down, the lights come on. When the sun comes up, the lights go off. Your second option is a timer. The timer is going to work on whatever schedule you set. The last option is our smart system, usually the most popular. What this allows you to do is to set the activation time on your app. You'll set when the lights come on, you'll set when the lights go off. You can even override it through the app. Through the app, you can also dim the lights. So you can have one setting for winter, one setting for summer. Considering lighting pollution is also a very important aspect in lighting design. One, we want to make sure no lights are shining into your windows, nor leaving your property. We also ensure we comply with all dark sky requirements. My favorite part of the process is the night sets. This gives us an opportunity to return to the property after dark with the crew, and we walk the property with you, making any necessary adjustments. Also gives us an opportunity to see what we created. Sometimes our partners ask us to value engineer a project. While maintaining the original design intent, we'll offer solutions for less expensive fixtures. If you have any questions about landscape lighting design, please leave us a comment or feel free to contact us.